Unlocking the power of 3 kilowatts solar rooftop system. As the world embraces solar energy, more and more homeowners and businesses are turning to 3 kilowatt solar systems to power their daily lives. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how much a 3 kilowatt solar system produces in a day and the factors influencing its daily production. One of the key components of a 3 kilowatt solar system is the monocrystalline solar panels. These panels, made from a single crystal structure, are highly efficient in converting sunlight into electricity. Their high power generation in limited space sets them apart from other types of solar panels. Rooftop solar panel installation is a common practice for residential and commercial solar systems. The rooftop offers an ideal space to harness sunlight without taking up additional ground area. The orientation and tilt angle of the solar panels are crucial in maximizing energy production. So, how much does a 3 kilowatt solar system produce in a day? The answer depends on factors such as location, sunlight hours, and system efficiency. On average, a 3 kilowatt solar system can generate around 10 to 15 kilowatt hours of electricity per day. This estimate is based on 4 to 6 sunlight hours, which can vary depending on geographic location and seasonal changes. To understand the impact of a 3 kilowatt solar system, it's important to consider the energy consumption of common home appliances. Air conditioners, for example, are major energy consumers. With a 3 kilowatt solar system, a significant portion of the energy consumed by air conditioners can be offset, leading to energy savings. Another important aspect is the integration of the solar system with the grid through net metering. This mechanism allows solar system owners to feed excess electricity back into the grid, earning credits during times of high solar production. This ensures a continuous and reliable power supply. While the cost of a 3 kilowatt solar system varies depending on factors like location and installation complexity, the long-term savings on electricity bills make it a worthwhile investment. Governments and utilities may also offer incentives to promote the adoption of solar power. Ready to unlock the power of the 3 kilowatt solar rooftop system? Take the first step towards sustainability and energy independence by exploring the options available at our website. Learn more at our website and start your solar journey today.